As it was indicated in the last session, in today's session we will discuss the botany, we will discuss the cultivational practices of Rudraksha. We will talk about the plantation, we will talk about the fruit, we will talk about the harvesting, we will talk about the processing, we will talk about the cleaning, and we will talk about other related issues. Rudraksha is a stone of a fruit which looks light blue after ripening. This is the reason why it is called as blueberry beads. It is also referred as stone fruit. This is an evergreen plant having species more than 300. The scientific nomenclature of this tree is Iliocorpus ganitrus. It's a medium-sized tree with height range of 50 to 200 feet. Look at the plant, look at its leaves. The leaves are ovular, arrow-shaped. The flowering in this tree starts in the months of May, June. The flowers are white in color. The fruits are ready for harvesting in the months of October, November. As I mentioned, the fruits look light blue, somewhat like the fruits of eggplant. Inside every fruit there is a pulp and there is a stone. The stone is either round in shape like this or oval shape like this. The stone has a hard coating. The dried stones are used as prayer beads by Hindus, by Sikhs, by Buddhists. The word Rudraksha is a compound word. Rudra means Shiva and Aksha means tears. The literary meaning of this word is the tears of Shiva. Chemically, Rudraksha contains alkaloid known as rudrakine. It contains tannins, it contains steroids, it contains triterpenes, carbohydrates and alkaloids. Commonly, the peat, the stone have 5 lines, 5 clefts on the surface. There are 5 sections inside, 5 compartments inside. These lines and compartments decide the phases of Rudraksha. If there are 5 lines on the surface, 5 compartments inside, 5 seeds inside, then that is a 5-phased Rudraksha. If there is a single line on the surface and there is single section inside, single compartment inside, then that is a 1-phased Rudraksha. 4 to 6 phase Rudrakshas are most common. Nearly 80% Rudrakshas are 4 to 6 phase Rudrakshas. Rudrakshas having phases less than 4 and having phases more than 6 are known as rare Rudrakshas. Typically, Rudrakshas have between 1 to 21 phases. However, there are few exceptions. There are Rudrakshas having even more than 35 phases, but we do not recognize them, we do not recommend them for religious use. One phase Rudraksha is the rarest, and rare Rudrakshas are high value Rudrakshas. Stones which do not have any line on their surface, no cleft, no compartment inside, no seed inside. Such Rudrakshas are known as Niramukhi Rudrakshas, and this is a Niramukhi Rudrakshamala. This is no face Rudrakshamala. There are other type of Rudrakshas other than whatever we have discussed till now, and this is one of them. This is Gauri Shankar. When two Rudrakshas are conjoined together and conjunction is natural, Rudraksha is known as Gauri Shankar. In the similar way, when two Rudrakshas are conjoined together and one of them having only one line on its surface, then that conjunction is known as Savar. When three of such Rudrakshas are conjoined together and the conjunction is natural, then that conjunction is known as Trijoti. Then we have Ganesha. Ganesha are the stones which have a trunk-like protrusion on their body. Then we have Dvaita, Veda and other few types. We will discuss all of them at length in our forthcoming sessions. The trees of Rudraksha are found mainly in Nepal, Himalayas, Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Gangetic Plains. In India, they are found in Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Assam, West Bengal. In South India, the trees profoundly grow in Nilagiri mountain ranges, Mysore and Karnataka forests. The trees are very fast growing plants. They start fruiting in third or fourth year. Each fully grown tree yields 1,000 to 2,000 fruits. Although Rudrakshas are grown on different parts of the world, however, those produced in Nepal are high value Rudraksha. They are in special demand because of their special qualities, because of their special features. Now, propagation. Rudrakshas are propagated mainly by air layering for air layering purpose. A branch of pencil size may be this type of branch is selected and leaving a proportion of 1 to 1.5 feet. A bark of 2 to 3 millimeters is removed skillfully with a budding knife. A circular portion from which the bark is removed is covered with sphagnum moss dipped in water. Sphagnum moss is a special type of fungus which holds water many times of its weight. Upon the sphagnum moss, a polythene tape is wrapped to avoid evaporation of water. The rooting takes place in about a month's time. After proper rooting, a branch is separated from mother plant by cutting just below the rooted portion. The separated branch is transplanted in a separate polythene bag to grow as a new independent tree. Sri Shivaya Namastubhyam.